Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3 with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Now click on Pair New Device, then turn on your speaker right here. And then click press and hold Bluetooth button. Now we can see our speaker, so click on it. Pair. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!